With just 2 days left for the poll and under the bad weather condition, polling officials and security personnel, including Central Armed Police Forces, were dispatched today to their respective polling stations from multi-purpose hall of Mini Secretariat DC complex in Tamenglong district. There are 14 polling stations in Tamai subdivision and 40 polling stations in Tausem subdivision and 12 polling stations in Tamenglong constituency. A total number of 75,438 voters, including 36,636 male voters and 38,782 female voters of the two assembly segments, namely 52 Tamai Sub-Tausem ST and 53 Tamenglong ST will vote for the outer Manipur parliamentary constituency. Tamenglong district has 36 numbers of female managed polling stations. Ahead of the dispersal of the polling team, the strong room located at DC office complex was opened from 8 a.m. onwards for dispersal of EVMs and VPPATs in the presence of AROs, nodal officers and representatives of various political parties. Deputy Commissioner of Technopal District Krishna Kumar dispatched polling personnel to 40 polling stations within 42 Technopal Assembly constituency for second phase of 18 Lok Sabha polls. The polling personnel were flagged off by Krishna Kumar from the complex of Maha Union Government Higher Secondary School in Chandel district. Out of 78 total polling stations, 74 are normal and the remaining 4 are ITPs, that is, internally displaced persons. The 42 Technopal Assembly constituency polling stations will include 2 model polling stations, 1 for differently abled persons and 15 for women. Deputy Commissioner will dispatch the polling officials for remaining 38 polling stations tomorrow morning at 8. The total voters of 42 Technopal are 42,777 with 20,963 male, 21,813 females and 1 transgender.